You bet.
All right, let's check in with Francella, find out about the weekend weather forecast. Going to be a nice one. Right?
Yes. Good morning, TGIF. Jason and Lisa, hope you're having a great morning. Looking at the marine layer, it is definitely much deeper this morning. We have a stronger onshore flow, so you can see from Mount San Miguel that the clouds have reached all the way into the valleys and the foothills. La Jolla also looking a little gloomy. We also have some patchy fog this morning, especially right over Ramona and a bit over Oceanside. Here's the temperature, 69 at Lindbergh Field, looking at some gray skies as well. Other temperatures across the county, 57 Ramona, 67 for Carlsbad, so a 10 degrees difference from the coast into the inland valley. 64 Descanso, 74 Borrego Springs, and 46 over Mount Laguna. Here's a look at our current dew points. They've actually been really good. We haven't had a lot of mugginess in the air here in San Diego County. So we've had dew points right now, 45 right over Julian, 51 Borrego Springs, but they're starting to increase just a little bit across the coastal area. So 63 right over Oceanside, Carlsbad, Del Mar, and also San Diego 62, which means that it is a little muggy there, and that's because the water temperatures are so warm. So that's making it a little bit muggy there with much more water vapor there. So our surf and sea report, speaking of the ocean, we are actually going to have moderate to strong rip currents for today. Bigger surf as well, 2 to 5 feet, especially from Carlsbad to the north. Our high tide this morning at 8:08 and our low tide at 1 o'clock this afternoon. So overall, we do have a strong onshore flow, a weak ridge of high pressure. So the temperatures are actually running below seasonable averages. So San Diego 76 will be the daytime high. That's what we're forecasting for. The normal is 77, so about 1 degree, not a big deal. But then other places like Carlsbad, we're looking at 3 degrees lower than normal. Escondido, we should be around 89. So today we're expecting a high of 81, so 8 degrees lower than normal. Even Ramona looking at about 10 degrees lower than normal. And Borrego Springs, 104, and they should be right around 106. So that's going to be the trend pretty much through the weekend. So we're going to have temperatures still slightly below the average. So here's a look at the temperatures. Southern California, Needles 112, San Bernardino 93, Palm Springs 105, LA 80 degrees, and Santa Barbara 74 degrees. That's a look at your forecast. We'll have more, and of course your national forecast coming up.
Thank you, Francella.